Welcome to a walkthrough of Sirius Online Teacher Reports. In the Reports tab, teachers have access to two different types of performance reports, a standards report and a course report. Let's start with the course report. This teacher has only one class, and let's select it. There's only one resource for this class, but teachers can access previous grade levels as resources for learning loss. Course reports are divided into sections that match the print preparation and practice workbooks exactly. You can open any section by clicking on it. Course reports use a table of contents view, with each assignment serving as a row in the table. Let's click on Student Performance. Each column represents a student. When you roll over their initials, you see their full name. Student performance is indicated by three colors as shown in the key. Red is beginner, yellow is competent, and green is advanced. Dark gray indicates assignments that have not been yet made or graded. These three stoplight colors make it easy to identify weaknesses by student or by assignment. Let's examine a student in more detail. Next to Abby's performance is the class average, so it's easy to compare her by assignment with the class. Let's go back to the report's home screen to look at the standards-based report. You can do that by going backwards using these breadcrumbs or the back button, or just click the reports button to get to the home screen. Let's now select the standards report for the same class. Once we open the report, we'll notice that instead of assignments on the left, we use the TEKs as rows. Students are in the columns just like before. Standards reports use the same four performance levels as the STAR test: does not meet, approaches, meets, and master's grade level. The gray color indicates when there's not enough data, just like in the course report. When you scroll over a TEKs, the full text will pop up. It will also indicate whether it's a readiness or supporting, and a weight. Sirius gives a numerical weight for each assessed TEKs that represents the likely frequency it will have on the actual STAR test. What this means is that the summary score in the top row is not a simple average, but a weighted average that better describes a student's likely performance on the actual STAR test. Standards reports also include filters. So this is the all standards view, but we also have a reporting categories view. Reporting category organizes the TEKs in the same categories as STAR, with readiness TEKs listed first in each category because they're more important and weighted more. Notice that all of the standards within that reporting category are rolled up. These averages are weighted averages based on the importance of its constituent TEKs, so these reflect the reporting category results for an actual STAR test. Let's look at the clusters and subclusters. The cluster linear functions is subdivided into subclusters. The clusters and subclusters organize the TEKs into logical instructional chunks so that closely related TEKs can be analyzed together to create a focused remediation plan. Each cluster and subcluster also includes a weighted value based on the standards it contains. The last filter is just a full list of the readiness standards followed by the supporting standards. Something unique to mathematics is we've divided up all of the readiness standards into breakouts. They're very practical for instructional purposes, so you can discern exactly what parts of a readiness standard students might be having trouble with. This completes the walkthrough of the Sirius Teacher Performance Reports. Thanks for watching, and we wish you and your students STAR success.